All right, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is your boy JD on 3. We are back with another one. We are outside. We are having a blast on the Rykers. The day ended up just being beautiful, sunny. So yeah, we outside having a good time. Now look here, guys. This is kind of a touchy subject here, but I see a lot of people selling their Rykers. Not only that, I see them selling their motorbikes. I see them selling their ATVs. I see them selling their slingshots. I'm a Ryker guy, so I love my Ryker. And I see a lot of people just selling them. And it got me thinking, like, why are people selling their Ryker? Like, they're fun, it's cool. Like, you buy it, why are we just selling? And these folks are selling it with very low mileage. And so I just kind of wanted to talk about that real quick. Kind of like a before you actually go out and buy the Ryker. My biggest advice to you guys is make sure you're ready for the lifestyle that it comes with. A lot of people don't talk about that. So a lot of people think, oh, I'm gonna buy this, and next thing you know, it's just a whole lot of fun. And that's not really the case, because when you buy the Ryker, just like you were buying maybe a slingshot, an ATV, a motor, just a regular two-wheel motorcycle, a lot of people don't realize like that comes with a lifestyle as well. So it's not meant to just be sitting in the garage. Like I see people selling their bikes, they got like 200 miles. Like what? I've got 2,700. I've got 27,000 miles on my bike. I bought it back in 2021, brand new off the flow. And I've been riding it ever since. I love it. I hate when it sits in the garage. On sunny days, I'm riding. And I love the lifestyle that it comes with. And I think a lot of people aren't prepared for the lifestyle it comes with. So before you buy, make sure you check your lifestyle. Make sure that you're set up for that. Whether it be your job, whether it be your family, we all have things going on in life. So before you try to invest in something like it, make sure you're actually set up to really do it. Now, and don't even get me wrong, because I'm not even trying to knock nobody on nothing. I mean, at all, because I have a job that's 12 hours. I have a child as well. I'm married. I'm a husband. So, yeah, we all have stuff going on. That's true that. But I'm just saying, before you buy, before you go in and be like, oh, I'm going to do this. And then all of a sudden you turn around and say, well, I just don't have time for it. You know what I'm saying? Check your lifestyle. Check to make sure that this is something that you can really invest your time in, because the Ryker lifestyle, the biker lifestyle, man, it's a whole lot of fun, but it's fun. You know what I'm saying? It's a whole lot of fun. So just, that's my biggest advice on that. I see a lot of people selling, and I think that they're not ready to say, oh, this comes with a lifestyle. This comes with riding down to the beach. This comes with riding out of town. This comes with meeting other people and joining groups and being outside. This comes with, oh, well, we're going to go ride to a bike night a bike night tonight. We're going to go to another bike night the other night. You know what I'm saying? This comes with, I'm going to put on a helmet and, you know what I'm saying, I get my hair done today, but now I got to put on a helmet. I mean, you know what I'm saying? So it comes with all of those different things. So it's just something to keep check on when you guys are getting ready to buy this Ryker. And not only that, it also comes with, rainy days. You know what I'm saying? You might be out riding and next thing you know, it rains. It comes with, road rage. You got people who just don't want to see you having fun on it. So they're going to try to run you off the road. They're going to try to speed all up on you, around you, get up on your bumper. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it also comes with solo rides. A lot of people think that, hey, I'm going to buy this thing, I'm going to meet a whole bunch of people. And it didn't even start like that for me. Like for me, it started out, I was just solo riding. And then all of a sudden I meet somebody. And then I meet somebody else. And next thing you know, we got a whole thing going. But all of that took time. So again, this is just more, food for thought for when you're getting ready to buy this thing. Think about all the things that really come with it. It's not just I'm buying this, I'm going to have fun. I'm buying this today, I want to have fun, but I got to work a 12-hour shift 3 or 4 nights in a row. And then I got responsibilities that I got to take care of too. So you don't want to buy something and just sit in the garage. You know what I'm saying? You just may be a person, Or you may be a person that likes to group ride and you don't have anybody to group ride with. So you buy it, think you're going to get into this big group, and guess what? You ain't got no group. You know what I'm saying? You go to bike night and you go to a place that's got a whole bunch of two-wheelers and you're the only three-wheeler. That ain't fun either. So it's just something to think about. And it's something that I was thinking about as I was, riding around and seeing people's got their bikes posted up. I'm like, man, why are people really, posting up their bikes? And that was kind of something that came into mind for me. So I'd like to know from you guys, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to talk on this whole video. I'm going to let y'all enjoy the ride because I'm just enjoying the ride. But let me know what you guys think. Why are people really selling their Rykers? Or what is it that would make you want to sell your Ryker? What is it that's saying, hey, I'm going to buy this, and then all of a sudden, you don't ride it at all, or you might only rode it once, twice, 3 times, whatever the case was. You're not even at 6,000 miles to get the first oil change, and then you're selling it. So I'd like to know. I'd really like to know why people are selling the bikes. Put it in the comment section below, you guys. And I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Ryker fam, you know what to do. Tap in, baby. Let's go.